gotta get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Amazing! Well done! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. That's perfect! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Great! Just drag a wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. Good job! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. That's perfect. That's the way. We all love your train set.